Hey, what's up everyone? So we have a 20-inch Dewalt battery powered chainsaw. It's brushless, came with a 12 amp hour battery, one of the 60 volt. Got the lock, unlock. Got the spot right here for the bar chain oil, sight glass. I've used it a couple times, cut down a couple pepper trees and cutting up some dried up eucalyptus logs, but it works pretty good. I've tried to bog it down and make it kind of stop or get stuck, and it hasn't yet. So I'd highly recommend these if you're looking in the market for one. Get it, it's good.